Hi, I'm Kevin Atchoo, here to show you a one-of-a-kind home in Lake Butler Sound I have for sale. This home is meticulously crafted, exceptionally inspired, a design built by Jones Clayton Construction. This home's attention to detail with wide oak planking, insets of mosaic slate that adorn the floor are stunning. The main pool meanders around the home in a lazy river fashion, while fountains and waterfalls are brandished throughout. The main swimming pool is accompanied by a 60-foot lap pool. This luxurious homestead is pure indulgence in its most elegant form. Hope you enjoyed my video. Again, my name is Kevin Atchoo with the Atchoo Property Group. Please feel free to call me toll-free at 888-541-0010. Thank you.